Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use deep voice in 11 labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the 11 labs website, which is 11labs.io, and click on the voices option here on the drop down menu. Now you will navigate to this section, the library section, where you have an array of voices to choose from, and all you have to do is to input the keyword deep in this search bar. So deep. So once you type in the keyword deep, press enter and wait for the new search results to pop up, and then you can select from the list a voice that matches what you are looking for. So these are the deep voices that have popped up, so you can go ahead to sample them by clicking on this play button here on the left and wait for
It wasn't the storm that changed her.
okay, this is a deep female voice. Let's check another deep mature
No
voice.
todo era bonito en su mundo.
Okay, this is for a different language. Let's check for a male now.
I have crossed oceans of time.
This is very nice. You see, they're written perfect for audiobooks. So you can also sample all these voices and choose the one that resonates with you, and that is how you can make or create a deep voice or select a deep voice on 11 labs. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider commenting below and subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much and do have a great day.